What's up, everybody, and how's it going? My name is Fultic. Welcome back. I hope y'all enjoyed that giveaway we did. I think I just said giveaway wrong. Who cares? I hope y'all enjoyed that video, and don't forget there is more to come. So that's not going to be my only giveaway, hopefully. But anyways, guys, we're off towards Texas. There's a few more things we got to do, and for today's video, we're going to be stopping by my mom's old parents' house, which is also abandoned. So that's going to be pretty cool. I also got the drone with me. Oh, the wind is horrible right now. I hope I don't ruin it. Hopefully it'll be calm when we go do the video, because that's going to be hard to fly in the wind like that. Anyways, guys, I'll see you there in a bit. Hey everybody, we are currently here at the old abandoned house where my mom used to live with her family. Someone's actually kind of here right now, we didn't expect. But I'm going to give you a little tour. So everybody, this right here used to be my mom's old room. A few things have changed. Like she said, the closet there used to be solid. And that door right there was my mom's closet that went all the way back.
The closet went to the right.
Oh, went to the right. Oh, yeah. So that used to just be a closed
closet.
And it went to my mom's grandmother's room.
It went all the way that way, but they put a wall in the middle of it.
So everybody, this right here is the old living room?
Yeah, living room and then kitchen. And
the kitchen and the dining room over there. This door right here was built by my mom's, you said grandfather? Or grandpa?
Yeah, my papa.
Her papa? They didn't build the house themselves, but they added, some things to it here and there. And the porch here wasn't original. That was an add-on.
We didn't add it on. It's whoever bought it afterward added it on. But the wall, the boards you see there, my papa put.
The boards on the wall there was put up by her papa. And the flooring too. This isn't the original flooring. They actually had a tile, which you can see right here.
It was all my grandfather, which I call him Papa, he built the bar. He put that in, and the cabinets too. He built all those cabinets. And then you come this way, and this pole here, when I was a little kid, my dad used to grab a hold of the pole, and he would put his body straight out, and we'd get a kick out of it. Watching him do that, it was so funny. And Jimmy came falling down the stairs. Boom, 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 boom. That's funny.
That's a lot of damage. That was a reference from that one YouTuber I can't remember the name of. So this was my mom's dad's room. Right up in here. And this right here, my mom never did. That's her middle name. And I don't know why it's there. And it's still there for some reason, which is pretty weird. So apparently, Mom, you got a secret lover. Because, I mean, look at that. There's a heart there. Alright, everybody, I apologize about the lighting. The whole room is dark. But in here, this was my uncle's, or my mother's brother's room. So, and that used to be like some closet up in the second floor. The cubby hole.
There's one on that side.
And the other side. I'm almost afraid I'm going to fall through the floor. It's creaking and cracking. It's so scary. This place is old. A lot of old stuff in here. I like going to places like this, y'all, to see all the old stuff. back in the day. Especially it's cool when, you know, I get to see my great-grandparents' home. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, I want to apologize that I didn't get all the right proper footage for my last one, the abandoned house video. It's because of that one guy that was there. Kind of creeped both me and my mom out, but that's okay. Hopefully I got enough decent footage. The drone footage was just in there. It was still kind of windy, and I'm still learning how to fly the drone, so of course it's going to take some practice to get better. But I want to show y'all something real quick. I'm going to start the video here and kind of turn the camera around. So everybody, this right here was my mom's old school. I'm going to save this one for another video one day. We're going to get the permission to be able to go inside. Over there is where the cafeteria would be, and of course, you know, that's basically the main area of the whole school. So this is going to be a pretty fun video, guys. I can't wait to do this one. Other than that, everybody, I hope y'all enjoyed the video today. Man is bright, hair is ugly. And if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. We're going to be doing a whole lot more videos than just this, y'all. I want to travel around and get more videos. Also, I want to start, before we end this video real quick, I want to start something new. Kind of like a weird meme. Let's try to post on your own social media. You know you're in the country when you see this, or something like that. You know you're in the country when this happens. You know you're in the country when the pine cone's almost the same size as your head. So let's start that, you know. Something simple like that sign over there you probably can't read, with Louisiana. It's not like normal lettering. It's like they're drawing it in there. You know, in the country when they don't use normal letters. So let's start that meme. It's a dumb meme, but think of something creative. Anyways, I will see y'all later in the next video.